Authorities of Utah County have issued a civil danger warning for the following cities: Saratoga Springs, Eagle Mountain, Cedar Fort. Please listen and pay attention for life-saving information. You are advised to stay indoors at all times. Contact the Utah County Sheriff's Office if special deliveries are needed. Lock all entrances to your place of shelter, windows, doors, cellars. Report all suspicious activities to the...
I'm coming at you.
Under no circumstances should you leave your place of shelter. Remain indoors until further notice. The broadcast will now repeat.